My name is Donna Simpson, and I am the COO of Vaughn's Credit Union, a division of Certified Federal Credit Union. So we are a credit union that primarily serves the grocery industry. We have over 60,000 members, and our asset size is around $615 million. We have basically, generally a blue-collar worker who they need what they need, and we specialize in making sure that we take care of them. And payments is an important part of our relationship with them.
I'm James Tomaso. I'm Vice President CIO for the credit union. I lead the IT department. The integration of the Fusion Fabric.Cloud was the easiest integration we've done in the 20 years that I've been working for the credit union. It was actually as simple as adding a couple GLs to the system. Finastra actually took care of the rest of the integration with the API. The way it helps our customers is it actually holds the funds, or it takes the funds from the member's account immediately, rather than our model before would actually allow an item to go out either via ACH or via a paper check, and it took days to actually clear the member's account.
When you take the funds immediately, then the member can then count on the fact they won't spend that money. But when you're dealing with, Americans, we move so fast, and if it's not right in front of us and it's not really clear, then we can actually make mistakes with our finances unintentionally and be charged fees and create situations where they lose faith in us. So what happens is when you do this real time as opposed to a good funds model, you actually make it simpler for the end user. So we find that our members are much happier knowing that the money is actually, they don't count on it anymore, whereas before it just created a lot of confusion.
Also, keeping a member from going to a biller direct, keeping them in our online banking system, using our bill pay system keeps them as a sticky member as well. Back-end processes on our side prior required us to post these transactions to a member's account manually on a daily basis. These transactions now post automatically to the member's account. All prior methods actually required custom building in the past. This actually standardized the way we actually roll a product out. So the API is available in a store, and our fintechs are able to build against that product. So being that it's a standard code, it takes us to market a lot faster.
You know, James, and when I think about everything that you have on your plate, I think about the time factor that it saves. And I think from my standpoint and from our CEO's perspective, anything we can do to speed up execution of the things that we do take on is a benefit for our entire operation. The potential of the platform in our organization is very exciting for us, because we are not first to market. I can't even think of anything we've been first to market on, and that's really by design, because we are a very conservative, risk-adverse organization that, we protect our members' assets and our company assets, and so we don't enter into things lightly. So to have something, to be able to innovate so quickly was really attractive to us. And with 20% capital, the reason we have 20% capital and we're so strong is because of the decisions that our CEO and our board make in, we're looking for a value. We're looking for a value that we can pass on to our membership. And we found that this entire process provided that collaborative value proposition that we need to be able to say yes to a project. So it was a win all the way around.
Well, currently we have products that are a little disjointed, even though they're all Finastra products. I see the product Fusion Fabric.Cloud actually integrating those products together more seamlessly.
Yeah, into the future, the benefit of what we've taken on, what I see is it creates that sticky product that we really need to retain all the growth that we've experienced over the past year. We've merged in a couple of smaller credit unions and taken on a large grocery retailer in Southern California with 18,000 employees. So the potential to attract and retain what we've created is huge. And we've really experienced pretty flat growth when it comes to our bill pay. So we see between real-time and e-bills, we see those two, and with a great marketing strategy, we see that being a way to retain and bring us into 2020 strongly.